Hi everybody, there's been a little bit of confusion regarding whether or not registration and Moodle are the same username and password. And I can appreciate without you being present in the college how this can be confusing. So I'm going to try explain as best I can in this short little video the difference between the two. If you have been receiving emails from me saying that you have an incomplete registration, what you need to do is to log onto the Pierce College website, which is obviously here in front of us. And then up here, you click on My Account. And that will then bring you into this page here. Okay, so you'll see the enroll system. And the username and password that you need to log on to here are different than the ones from Moodle. And you can find these by searching the emails you signed up with. And you will see an email like this, which is successful application submission. And you'll have a username, which is a number, and then a password, which again is quite generic. So usually your username would be 2023 and then a different 4-digit number. So you take these details and then you log them into the system here. So if I was to go Control, copy, put these into here. Hopefully this will log me into the system, and then I'm in here. So anybody who has not completed this will have a page that should have a black box in the middle. I have sent an additional instructions video on this. So again, if you can go in and search emails, you'll see it here, which is complete registration video, and you'll then see down here this YouTube link. So please look for that completion of registration video and click on the link, and that will explain how you complete that. The second thing that people have been asking me about is Moodle and how to get access to Moodle. So again, if we go back to the Pierce College website, over here on the side menu bar, you will see Moodle. And if you click into Moodle, it should bring you onto this page here. Now, I have sent an email with specific Moodle login details. So again, please search your emails for the word Moodle, and you should have something that will look a bit more like this here as a username and password. So I'm going to just copy these details, and up here I'm going to put them through. So there's the username. I don't need to put the @Pierce College if I'm using this one. And then the other thing that I'm going to do is copy the password here, which I've hidden. And I'm going to press Control, and then that should bring me into it. So you can see in this case here that I've logged in under this person's name, and then I'll get this data protection notice, and then I'll scroll down to the bottom, okay, and I'll press Next, which will bring me on to the next page, and then I need to consent. So there's a page here where I click Agree to Consent, and then I should be logged into the system, okay. So once I'm logged into the system, I'll come to a page like this, and then having the page like this, I should be able to view all my courses. Okay, so I go to the dashboard here. I can view my courses down the right hand side, and then I can begin to click into these, and I will begin to see the notes from the teachers. So in this case here, I might be doing care skills, and on care skills, I can see the notes to join the Zoom class and everything else. Now, in the event, I'd need to sign out here. In the event you get an error when signing into that, my advice to you is to go down to the bottom of your Windows icon and look for Microsoft Edge and try and open this up in a separate browser. So I'll go on to Microsoft Edge here. I'll go on to the Pierce College website. Okay, let me see if we do piercecollege.ie. So I'm on the Pierce College website now, but this time I'm using a different browser. It's the Microsoft Edge browser. And I click into here, and then I go into Moodle. And then I'll enter in my username and password in this browser and follow the same instructions that we previously had done. So they're the two main ways in which I can get in. In the event neither of those two work, that's then when you can go down to this part here and log in using your college Microsoft account. But if you go to use this one here, it's at that stage where you'll need to enter in your full details. So in this case here, I would go and use this username, and it would be the 23K Riley at Pierce piercecollege.ie, and then I would enter in the password. And then I should be able to get signed into the system. Okay, so in this case here it didn't. So it's probably because I've already logged in via the other method. But if you're getting this on your other methods, try that way at the Pierce College and see how it works. If that doesn't solve anything, then let me know. I'll see where the issue is on the system. Thank you.